Hello Scorpions, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. Uh, Before we start this reading, I request you to kindly subscribe to my channel so that you shouldn't miss out any of my videos. Okay, thank you so much for doing this. And let's go ahead with with the reading for July 2020. Here is your first card. So Scorpions, it's a temperance card which talks about balances, which talks about peace, patience and all. I am saying that it's a time that if you want to test something, if you want to experiment something, then this is the time. Or if you want to bring some changes, slowly you can bring some changes, modifications in your life. It can be anything, again, the personal changes, personality changes, relationship changes, or anything that want to make some decisions, and this is the time that you can bring these modifications with more patience. Okay, not hasty ones, but with more patience and gently you can do this. Or otherwise, if you are struggling with some situation which is being held up, then this is the time it says that yeah, there is an opportunity, there is a possibility of the situation to get resolved, but it takes some time. So it's not going to happen in a jiff. Okay, it is going to take some time, and will happen in its own way, in its own with its own pace. So give some time to anything that you are looking for. You are looking for some clarity, or yeah, if you are looking for some clarity, or if you are struggling with something, so give some time to it, and this will settle on its own with more positivity, bringing more positivity to you. Okay, and then the second card is about Queen of Pentacles. Wow. So see, if Scorpions who are female, all right, female Scorpions, this card is a very good prospect. It says that you are going to. It talks more about your attitude. Yeah, Scorpions are really good businessmen anyhow. So it's more about a Scorpion card. Okay, and then Scorpions, it says that yeah, this is a time, and no, you will definitely be thinking about starting some new venture, or no, this Queen of Pentacle card says that you are quite, you may be quite generous, you may be no, quite practical, sensible, or homely kind of person, but at the same time you hold uh, you hold the potentiality, or you hold the capacity to excel in business also. That means you hold the capacity to be into the market, or in your job again. So having all those homely characteristics, homely features, at the same time you also can excel well in your profession. So this is the time, probably July month is going to bring you that. Okay, and it also says, see, if you are not a lady, if it's for a male Scorpions, this card says that there will be a support from a female person who is quite generous, who has good experience when it comes to business, when it comes to materialistic planning. Okay, and yeah, so at the same time the card says that you may try to hold something strongly. Okay, because this is more about a materialistic behavior. All right, so there, when it comes to material things, people tend to hold their properties, hold their belongings, okay, or want to make their hold very stronger, but which might create insecurity within you. So just take some, be cautious about it, be cautious about this thing, about your behavior. Okay, so keep judging yourself, I mean, keep looking inside within you, that whether this is right or not. Okay, and then we have a third card. All right, this third card is High Priest, again a lady card. So this card strongly says that you have to listen to your intuition, you have to listen to your inner mind, and not just decide simply based on the available information, based on the things that you are seeing currently, and not just make your decision or make a move with something that is reflecting in your intellectual mind or in your conscious mind. You have to, this time is, where you have to try to get the answers from within you, instead of searching for some solutions outside. Here this card is bringing you, this July month is bringing you the opportunity, or it tries to give you, it serves you with the opportunity to uh, get the answers within with from get the answers with yourself. Okay, so this is quite a high priest card, is quite an intuitive card, which says that try to listen to your intuition. If you are seeking for some answers, listen to your intuition, and before taking any decision, or before opting to do anything, listen to intuition. This card strongly says that. So don't just simply get carried away with the things that are available to you, because the card, first earlier card was materialistic. Don't just simply decide based on the materialistic things that are visible, tangible things that are visible outside, right? So think, consider your inner voice also. Okay, and then yeah, I have the energy card for you, dear Scorpions, and this card says that the external environment is making you is to stand. It's like, you are stuck up in a position where you are not able to make a move. You are not getting an opportunity to go ahead. Okay, so this is the card which says it can be an emotional bonding also. You are emotionally attached to someone, or the attachment, the family ties, and other things are not allowing you to move forward. Okay, so this, because of this energy is going to affect you in the coming, in this month of July 2020, Scorpions. So yeah, try to have some patience, try to solve the things, as the card already said. Look for the answers within you, listen to your intuition. All right, so now I have your the message from the universe. Let me read this for you. The more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. Oh, wow. Yeah. So I hope you followed this. The more energy and intention I bring to my faith can make your faith more stronger. Okay. And the more fearless and free I am. So the stronger your faith, more fearless you be. That's what the card says. Okay, so with this, I'm winding up the session, this reading for this month. I see you again in the coming month. Okay, till then, have a great time. Wish you good luck. Take care. Bye bye.